Hi there, this is Les with OfficeTutor.info and welcome. A user emailed me a comment about how they wanted captions not above or below an image, but rather on top of the image. Now this is an interesting problem because Word 2007 doesn't make it easy for you to do that. In fact, if you want to do it very efficiently, the best way to go about it is to create your own macro that'll involve some basic programming skills. However, if you just have a few images, there is another workaround. We're going to use text boxes. I'm going to insert a text box. Alright, simple text box. Let's get rid of that default text. We're going to click on the text box, the shape fill, no fill. Alright, it's a nice transparent box. Let's click on this image. I'm going to copy it. Let's keep that original image there. Paste. Okay. Again, you can see why this is going to take a little more work. Now, I would suggest at this point that you keep this border there, and you'll find out why later. It's going to save you a lot of headache. Click Insert and create another text box with whatever text you want. In this case, I'm just going to put copyright Office Tutor. And again, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. There you have. Okay, first of all, make sure this text box goes all the way to the back. Send to back. Alright, and this text box needs to come to the front. So bring to the front, and you can drag them over. Check that out. Okay. Now again, because this is in a text box, it behaves within the realms of these borders, so you can align it however you want. Let me go back to home, and I'm going to align it to the right. And there you go. You can do this with your pictures, for example, if you want to create a photo album or just a portfolio. Now here's why I decided to use text boxes. If I click on this text box and then hold the control button down and then click on the edge of the other text box, notice how the mouse pointer changes right there. I can actually group these two text boxes. We just have to go to page layout, and let me make sure you can see this. There's the group icon, group, and now I can click this text box here, and I can drag them together, and so they're stuck together all throughout. No matter where you drag them, they're together. However, a word of warning: you may be tempted to remove this border right here. If you do remove this border, I can tell you right now, it's going to cause a lot of issues, because if you can't see this border, you'll be grabbing this picture, and when you do grab this picture, this is what happens. It leaves the text box, and so you don't want that to happen. So keep that text box, border there, and you might want to make it look nicer or something. But for our purposes, it works. Again, this is Les with OfficeTutor.info. Keep those questions coming. Thanks.